Imagine a car that blends classic French elegance with modern engineering and a futuristic driving experience. Today, we're taking a closer look at the Citroën Pallas 2026, a model designed to bring back the iconic spirit of the Pallas name while introducing an entirely new vision of comfort, style, and innovation. If you're someone who enjoys refined design, advanced technology, and effortless practicality, this might be one of the most intriguing cars of the year. Let's begin with the design, because the 2026 Pallas makes a strong first impression the moment you see it. Citroën has always been known for smooth lines and expressive shapes, and this model continues that tradition with a more mature and sophisticated approach. The front end features slim LED headlights that glide into a wide, clean grille, creating a confident stance on the road. The body lines flow naturally from front to back, emphasizing elegance over aggression. The side profile is aerodynamic yet graceful, and the slightly rising shoulder line adds a sense of movement even when the car is standing still. At the rear, the taillights display a distinctive lighting signature that immediately identifies the car as part of the Citroën family. Overall, the design balances heritage and modernity, making the Pallas 2026 both recognizable and fresh. Moving to technology, this is where the car takes a big step into the future. The Citroën Pallas 2026 comes equipped with a fully digital cockpit that adapts to different driving preferences. The instrument cluster can display navigation, driver assistance data, or classic gauges depending on what the driver wants. The central multimedia screen is large, fast, and intuitive, supporting wireless phone connectivity, advanced voice commands, and customizable menus. Drivers can easily access climate controls, driving modes, and entertainment features without feeling overwhelmed. One of the standout elements is the updated driver assistance suite. Features such as adaptive cruise control, lane keeping support, automatic emergency braking, blind spot monitoring, and traffic sign recognition work together to create a safer, more relaxed driving experience. The technology isn't just there to add features, it genuinely enhances how the car behaves on the road. One of the signature elements of Citroën has always been ride comfort, and with the Pallas 2026, the company pushes this philosophy further. The car uses a new generation of active hydraulic suspension that reads the road in real time and adjusts to deliver a smooth, floating sensation. Imperfections on the road almost disappear, and even at highway speeds, the cabin remains stable and quiet. This emphasis on comfort makes long trips feel effortless and gives the Pallas a character that sets it apart from many modern cars focused on stiffness and sportiness. Speaking of long trips, the practicality of the Citroën Pallas 2026 makes it a strong choice for families and travelers. The interior is spacious, with generous legroom in the back and front. The seats offer multiple levels of adjustment, including heating, cooling, and massage options in higher trims. Storage spaces throughout the cabin are thoughtfully designed, making it easy to store daily items without clutter. The trunk offers plenty of room for luggage, groceries, or gear for weekend adventures. High-quality materials, soft textures, and careful attention to detail give the cabin a premium feel without making the car overly expensive. Combined with strong sound insulation, the inside of the Pallas feels calm and relaxing. Now let's discuss performance. The Citroën Pallas 2026 is available with several powertrain options. The gasoline turbo engine delivers good acceleration and smooth power delivery, making it suitable for both city driving and highway cruising. For those looking for more efficiency, the hybrid variant combines an electric motor with the gasoline engine, offering strong torque and the ability to drive short distances on electric power alone. And for drivers ready to go fully electric, Citroën offers a version with a large battery and a solid driving range, ideal for daily commuting and longer trips with minimal charging stops. No matter which version you choose, the steering is precise, the car feels confident in corners, and the quiet operation enhances the overall comfort. In summary, the Citroën Pallas 2026 is a modern interpretation of a classic concept. It brings together smooth design, advanced technology, practical comfort, and flexible performance options. For drivers who value a relaxed yet premium driving experience, this car offers something meaningful and refreshing. It's not just another entry in the segment, it's a reminder that comfort and innovation can still go hand in hand.